Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. Another video and another information. So today you're going to learn about Microsoft Excel. So here is a sheet or a workbook or a book. So I'm just selecting some cells if you know, and let's learn about cells. So here you can see some rectangular shapes and you can say a rectangle. These are called cells. What is an active cell? An active cell is the selected cell in which you can type right now. So right now J9 is the active cell. I want to type FGHJKL. Anything? I want to type hi, I am your, maybe I'm your best coach. Anything you want. Now, here you can see a cell that is very long. It is not that much long or that much short, which others are. Why? Because I have merged that cell right now. The text was very big and I wanted to make one cell for it, so I merged it. So, to merge a cell, let's merge F and G4. Let's select them. Now let's go to merge cells, or if you have typed something you can go for merge in center, you can go for merge across, or you can go for unmerge. Let's go to merge these cells, and now whatever I type here you can see no line right now. Now I want to unmerge it. It is the same. Now I want to merge this whole merge cell. It is now a very big cell. What is the cell's name? Tell me. Here is the cell's name. It is 4 from the F. So it is F4. Let's just unmerge them. Unmerge cells. So here is the cell that I have already merged. Like if you make generally like marks sheets or marks Excel workbooks, it is very hard for you to, maybe it's not hard, but it is very time consuming to write those numbers and then find the answer in the calculator and write that again. So for this is the calculator or the formula. So in this cell I want the formula. I'm gonna just backspace everything that is written, and now let's go to insert function sum. Okay, you can just select any type of thing that you want. Let's go to sum. And now you have to write the cell name. It first is B2. So B2, then write a comma and then write C2. Now let's go for enter. 82 is the answer of 23 plus 59. Now if I want to change it, I can just change the number. If I want to make it 40, okay, 4030, the my answer is automatically changed because there is a formula applied on it. So here's the formula box. Now you can also insert a pie chart or something like this, and if I don't want to do that I can just delete it. Very simply, very simple. Now this is the original. Now if let's do it again. Now let's make this number as 78 and this as 5, I mean 2305. 2305. Now I'm going to show another way of inserting a formula. So let me tell you the steps very briefly and very easily. Select the cell in which you want the function or the formula in. Go to the insert tab and then goes or select the function. Now click on it and then you'll find this box, and then you can just select whatever you want to do. You can pick a category from here. I want to sum it up, so okay. Now what we did here, tell me, we just selected or we just said the cell number or cell name. Now let's write the cell number. So it is automatically done now. No need to just calculate it all up or do it again. Now you learned two types or two ways to just apply a formula on any cell. Here you can see the formula, and here's a formula box, here's the name box, and here are the normal tabs which you see. Now you can obviously, I did that before, I inserted a pie chart. You can insert a bar or something like that only. You can add a comment, or you can also add some like add-ins type of. You can just select anything if you want. So now you can go for a link also. Maybe you want to display something else and do something else. So display, click on this cell. Now just write youtube.com. Place in this document. Okay, one second. Now let's just OK it up. Click on the cell. When we clicked it, okay, one second. Let me just merge this thing up. And then we are gonna make it one cell. You know how to merge it obviously. So let's do that. Now let's click on this. And now you are obviously in the YouTube. Now let's do that again. It is a hyperlink. You have that in some of the, things. Now let's just go for clear content. It is now clear. Now I can just unmerge everything. It is unmerged. Done. Very simple. Now let's learn how to merge and center. I want to write I am uh, I am the biggest fan of anybody. Maybe I'm a biggest fan of real heroes. Now enter it, and now we're gonna select all these, cells. Let's merge and center them. Now your text is centered. Here you can also see my text is centered. Now you can obviously name your document. You wanna name it example of an Excel, maybe anything, of an Excel sheet. Now it is saved as this document or this sheet. Now let us learn about range of cells. This is the range of cells. Very simple to do. And now this or these are the range of cells. Now let's learn something else. So here is a merged cell. Let's select it, and now you'll say, and now you'll see that the name of this cell is A4. Why it is A4 when we have so many cells out there? It is because the text or the merging has started from the A4 cell. So I think that is too much for now, and we are going to learn something else in another video to another or some other week. So tune in for more videos. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.